Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to make a group in Roblox. Creating a group on Roblox is a great way to bring together like-minded players, whether it is for gaming, developing, or socializing. In order to create a group on Roblox, first of all, open up your Roblox application and sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the More menu, tap on Groups. Now, in the Groups page, you will see Create Group button in the upper right corner. Click on it and fill out the group information on the next page. Enter a name for your group and in the description box, write down a description that explains what your group is about. In the emblem section, choose the emblem or your group logo. By uploading an image, simply tap on Select an image from your device and select the emblem. Under the Settings menu, set the group's settings such as who can join the group or if you want to set manual approval for the group. After selecting any one option, tap on the 100 Robux button in green at the bottom right and ensure that you have enough Robux in your account. Creating a group requires 100 Robux, so make sure you have it. And then once you click on the 100 button, you will be able to create a group. Once your group has been created, you can invite members, manage roles, create group games, and set up group funds. So that's how you easily create or make a group on Roblox. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video.